Okay, so let's go ahead and change out this dash. We're gonna switch out the black trim, SI trim on that EF. So first thing first, we gotta remove the old dash, and it's a little bit breezy right now, so there's probably gonna be a lot of wind noise. So, all right, I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I got the steering column drop. I got just about every bolt taken off this thing. Now, one of the main reasons we're replacing this dash is, you notice all the stabs are broken here. That's broken, that's broken, that's broken. So this is the only thing that's holding the cluster firmly. This one screw and the bezel housing, or whatever we call it, it's just on there. You can't really bolt it on because these two tabs are broken. So that's one of the reasons why we need to replace this anyways, regardless of what color it is. And also these things down here are all broken too. So yeah, this dash it's ready to come out. So let me go ahead and pull this out, and I'll swap some parts over from this dash to the new dash. Okay guys, I got the dashboard out. Yeah, not much to it. Here, sorry. Here's the black dash. I've got the wiring harness. I swapped over the wiring harness. My son wants to keep the clock, so we're keeping it. So let me put this dash on. Okay, I got the dashboard in. The harness for the dash is in. I got a few more screws. I got this thing put back up. I think we're gonna change the steering wheel to the SI one since we have it. But I need a break. It's starting to get hot as ball sacks here. It's getting really hot, so I'm gonna take a break. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, got everything buttoned up. I don't have a radio for it yet, but we'll probably get one. That one's wasn't even plugged in, and there's no plugs. So, but everything's, I just gotta put the cluster, glove box, then we'll be done with this dash. So sorry I'm doing it this way where I'm pausing and whatnot, but that's what I gotta do for now. I got this steering column back on. I gotta put the cover for it, but it's getting really hot. So we'll see. I'll try to get this on. I'll be right back. Okay, the dash is all in. Cluster works. Doesn't quite match the door panel or the upper level, the upper trim, the A-pillars, but it'll work for now. Next step would be change the back seats and the front seats, and probably put a roll cage on this. We did bought a roll cage for it, 6-point, so we might go ahead and put it on. We'll see. We'll fit it first. If it's all right, if we decide to use it, we'll use it. If not, we won't. So yeah, there you go. So probably make another video in the next couple days working on this car. I mean, I'm probably gonna be working on this car for a couple weeks. As far as the black Integra, it's right there. It's pushed to the side. Trying to figure out exactly what we're gonna do with it, and I accumulated some parts for this when we parted out that Civic Si, and the wife's getting mad. It's sitting in her laundry room, all the seats and stuff, so I figured I'll go ahead and install in this, so that way it's out of her way. So yeah, till next time.